Hello, trading is closed on November 12, 2015. Yesterday I said I anticipated the gap outside of the day's range, which we got. I thought it would be lower, which it was. We had this price target from an ultimate signal. I said it didn't have to print, but it usually would, and that one did. I've been anticipating seeing 2060.34 since October 27th, and that printed early and was a good support and resistance level. I've been saying that the three-leg whipsaw targeted at least 2050, and that happened today. 2052. We had a drop, a rally higher than the drop, and now we have dropped greater than the amount of the rally, so that signal has worked. During the day, MEJT, so ultimately higher prices would print. They did. Here's the target. It said that rally was false and that drop was false, and we'd see this price on or after this time, which we did. Well, it's never a lot of fun when we don't have any new MEJT signals. That means I have to use other stuff. Well, let's start with some charts we don't look at too often. Here's the percentage of stocks with positive chart formations. I had thought we had seen the high for this whole bull move earlier in the year. That may turn out to be true, but if we were going to drop like a stone now, I would anticipate seeing a lot more deterioration in breadth than we have seen. This is hardly any deterioration in breadth at all. We have people buying options to go short puts over the Bollinger Band, the upper one. Here's one of my favorite indicators, the McClellan oscillator on the NASDAQ. We are now way under the lower Bollinger Band. We have to reverse before we get a buy. That usually doesn't take very long to happen, and this is not the position you want this indicator to be in if you want to go short or to hold a short. We also have the VIX over its upper Bollinger Band. We have to reverse down through it to give a buy, but at least we're in the range where a buy signal could occur. On the 15-minute chart, we have a 913.9 sequential buy signal, and the stop has not been violated. We have the same signal on the 30-minute chart in alignment. We also have a wall into the close. There is no pullback at all in this decline, and we close almost at the low. All these things are signs of capitulation, and if I'm reading this correctly, we should have a gap up tomorrow. And if that NASDAQ McClellan oscillator turns around, which I think is very likely if we have the gap up, then this leg of the decline should be over. And that is today's call.